This is the OR by X Rotana in the Doha, and this is how the washroom is. And this is how room looks. This is the outside view of the room, and it's a building. This is a way to the airport, and then this is the rest of the building of the hotel. And this is a 24/7 menu available here for the in-room dinings and all the stuff. You have a safe here, and wardrobe here, and the iron box here.